Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Every homeowner's worst nightmare is a flooded basement. Every time you get that feeling in your stomach when the clouds roll in and you hear that thunder and you're wondering, is my house next? That's a problem. And if you've been on a losing end of a flood, you know what I mean. Throwing out carpet, flooring, old furniture, it's a big problem. So today we're bringing in a professional. We're bringing in John from Baethke & Sons Plumbing to tell us one way to prevent a flooded basement. John, thanks for coming out. Now, why is it important for a homeowner to have a battery backup system on a sump pump?
Well, Sean, if you can imagine, your basement is underground. So it's essentially a swimming pool, but dry, hopefully. So most new homes have a sump pump to remove that water from the ground when it rains, things like that. The spring thaws. So that pump that's there to do that job is powered by your wall outlet, AC power. Now what happens in the spring when we have storms? Well, that could knock your power out. So right when you need it, the rain is coming down, the water's coming in, you lose power.
So it's an almost essential part of the pump system, but a lot of homes that I go to, I don't even see a battery backup.
No, a lot of times you don't see that, and unfortunately that can lead to damage, insurance claims, unfortunate results. So a good solution is a converter with batteries to give you power in the event of an outage. This system is absolutely maintenance free. In 3 years from today, they're going to get a reminder that they can replace the batteries. Now these batteries that we put in can last 4 to 5 years, but if you want to be proactive, every 3 years you replace the batteries, that's just about it.
Now that's the difference between the DIY models and a professional model. I know some of those DIY kits, you have to pour water in them from time to time.
Water, acid, yeah, a lot of maintenance. You got to keep an eye on it. And you know what? They just don't have the capacity that this dual battery backup system has.
John, as always, thanks for your professionalism. I appreciate you getting the right backup for this house, so now the homeowner has peace of mind. And as always, thank you for watching Everyday Workbench.